MySpace is like Facebook. You can use MySpace to brand yourself. You can customize your template, another way of branding yourself. MySpace has a very high page rank of 9. What it means for you is that your links will carry extra link juice back to your selling webpage. It has over 200 million users. MySpace includes a free blogging feature that currently Facebook doesn't have. Unlike Facebook, the profiles in MySpace are public, so you don't have to be logged in to see them. And the MySpace pages show up in search engine results with all of the content visible. Setting up your MySpace profile. In your profile, you can promote and brand yourself and your products and business. But remember, as with all forms of social media marketing, don't hard sell. Include pictures of products and links back to your site. But remember to talk about yourself. People buy from people they like and trust, not from companies. Be transparent and real. Be yourself. Use the blog to talk about yourself, your website, and what you're doing, and what you're promoting. And make sure that you post lots of interesting pictures and videos, personal and business. Marketing on MySpace. Use your real name. It will help you to build credibility, and as you're doing so, and you're interacting with people, help them to find you easily. Search for people in your niche, or people who have similar interests to you, and add them as friends. Make sure that you get involved. Don't sit on the fence, be an active member. Before you start to sell to people, build relationships with them. And when you're communicating with people, try to provide value. Use your MySpace page to promote special offers and to give away things. Comment and show interest in other people and what they're doing. Ask their opinions. Use subtlety with your selling. For example, hey, check out what I'm doing.